सकारात्मक सोच, positive thinking. So what will happen if an ant started thinking that I am the smallest creature of this nature? That is, there is nothing smaller than me. Microorganisms are there, but still, smallest creature. I cannot pick anything. I cannot load anything. How do I live? This ant, they haven't thought this. If they ever thought that, they would be extinct, finished by now. They actually worked. They never considered them to be smaller or the smallness as their weakness. And if I can tell you, a single ant can lift up to 20 times its own body weight. 20 times. So, this ant is having a positive attitude. This is what makes them do what is impossible. 20 times its body weight. So, positive attitude can help us, can help all of us to succeed like ants. So, we have to have positive attitude not only in our behavior, but whatever comes in our life. Because life will have challenges. You have to overcome them. There is no one in this world who has all the good things in their life. They will have bad things, they have challenges, they will have problems, they will have failure. Everything will be there. So in order to get those done or to get away or to pass through these challenges, it's important to have a positive attitude. Why this positive thinking is so important? Why we are giving so much importance? A person attitude, a human being, he can either be positive or negative. That is, he can think that the glass is half full or half empty. So positive attitude is a specs or a glass in your dimag, in your brain, not on your eyes. Think always good. Think always positive. Be patient. Be patient. Observe everything. Try to find goodness in everything. Understand. And then try to work on it. Try to improve rather than worrying. Because if you start thinking about negatives, bad points, oh, I cannot do this. Oh, this is impossible. Oh, I am finished. You will not be able to do that thing. You will not be able to get over all those problems you have. Whenever you get angry, the first thing happens is your brain starts not working, or it starts giving you different ideas which are not taking to your good path. So your brain stops working whenever you get angry, whenever you get worried, whenever you get stressed. So positive thinking leads good results. For example, overcoming challenges. The life is full of challenges, as I said. You will be able to overcome it. You will be able to face it. And you will be able to counter it. And also, you will be able to work energetically. That is, if you have good thoughts, you will always be energetic while working. If you are stressed, if you are depressed, you won't be able to work. Then it will help you get better at work. You and the people around you. It can be your friend, it can be your partner, it can be your wife, it can be your friends, anyone. You will make them happy. We always try to be with a person who gives you positive vibes, positive vibration. You will never like to be with a person who always thinks bad, is depressed, is unthoughtful, always take the negative stand, talk everything against everything. So I'll give you an example of negative thinking and I'll make it positive also. First example is, I did not get enough marks to choose the science stream, or I cannot go into the science. My life is finished. My life is ruined. I cannot do anything in my life now. This is the only thing which I can do. The other thing is, my team lost the match because of me. In any game, is it possible that both can win or both can lose? The maximum possible is draw. The team draw. But the thing is, the life is a game. Some win, some lose. You need to be in the winning part, in the winning side. I told you about GABA. India's C team, they defeated Australia, which were never beaten in GABA. So this is just because they have positive thinking. Now I'll make these into positive thinking. Okay, same thing. I did not get enough marks now. I did not get enough marks to choose the science stream, same thing. But that's not the end of my life. I can consider options in other streams. I can go to biology, I can go to medicine, I can go to commerce, I can go to arts. Second one is, my team lost. How can we make it positive? My team lost the match today, but now we will work hard and harder to win and do better next time, so that we do everything to win. How to keep your thinking positive? Means you may be negative, I may be negative. How can we make ourselves positive? Because there are so many advantages of being positive. First is, you need to have a positive attitude in life. And I'll just give you a simple method or steps to make yourself positive. The simple method is smile. Smile. Always smile. Life is full of thorns. Smile every day. Start your day in a positive way. Whenever you wake up, make your bed. That is the start. Make your bed. Smile. Thank God. Thank your mother, father, your parents, your friends, your everyone, like if you have your brothers and sisters. Like you need to exercise, read, watch something which is motivating. And talking to people who are positive make you smile. Next one is M. M is for, you need to have time to relax. You need to find for yourself. To find the me time. We wake up and since morning till evening we get tired, working, and then we sleep, and then the circle goes on of the life. I is for imagine the best in any situation. See, if something happens, if you say, oh my God, this has happened. Oh my God, my life is going to be finished. If something has happened, say as has happened now. Instead of thinking about that, how you can make it better? This is imagine I. L is for learn to take feedback in a positive way. People will say, oh, you are not doing this thing right. You'll say, oh, come on, keep your mouth shut. Don't talk to me like this. I know what to do myself. Don't fight with people. They are giving you some advice. They are giving you some feedback. Take it in a positive note and try to see that if some people are saying the same thing, you need to improve. There is some problem. Express gratitude. Thank you. If you go to the Western world, everyone says thank you. Thank you. They smile, they say thank you. They smile, they say thank you. Excuse me, thank you. That is, the environment becomes so positive. That is, be thankful for all the good things you have. See, if somebody does one good work for you, do 100 good works for them. That is, start a good day. Exercise, reading, watching, as I said. S for smile. I'm again just trying to repeat this SMILE. Try to listen to Sandeep Maheshwari. I sound like him, I guess. And whatever makes you happy, do it first. M, as I said, sing a song, listen to a song, or do yoga, breathe, talk to your loved ones, relax, stay calm, try to meditate, try to relax, take a nap if possible. Imagine the best in any situation I am talking about. What is the example here? Everything will not be as per your requirement. Sometimes your car may broke. Don't get worried. It will be fixed. Feedback, that is, if somebody is saying, see, you are not doing this work properly. Try to do this like this. Do the way the other person has said. Try it. At least try it. That is, improve yourself through feedback system. Express gratitude, as I just said. Say thank you. Say thank you. Be grateful to everyone and anyone. Right? You see people, they don't have the basic thing needed, required. Some don't have hands, some are autistic, some are ADHD, some have... There are so many troubles in life. And you are thinking negatively. Think, says God, thank you God. And you have to say thank you and to anyone and try to help them. Somebody gives you a pen, give them 10 pen. Somebody gives you a burger, give them 10 burger. Somebody says all the best, you say all the best 100 times to him or her. This is expressing gratitude. Now coming to questions. What is the best way to start our day positively? Think all about that can go wrong. No. If you are thinking about going wrong, this is a negative attitude. Think about the difficult test you will face during the day. The test is going to come. It will be difficult. You need to prepare. Think about all your accomplishments so far and feel good about it. Yes, that is the way. Think about the traffic of the road and feel stressed. Even before going to the road, you start feeling stressed. So this is the answer. C is the correct answer here. Next one is, Rahul gets feedback on his project work from his class teacher. Which of these options demonstrate positive attitude in this situation? So when somebody is giving you feedback, you need to understand that and try to work accordingly. Because people help you in your life. Rahul ignores the feedback, that's a negative attitude or that's an adamant attitude. Rahul takes the feedback and does not use it. He just listens but doesn't use it. Rahul tells others that the teacher is wrong. The teacher is like this and he says like this. But the D one, Rahul learns from the feedback and makes his project work better. That is, he uses his mind and he also uses the feedback, that is, the project will be better. D is the answer. What can you do to get rid of negative thoughts or feelings? How can you overcome these negative thoughts or feelings? Meditate to calm down and feel positive. This is the correct answer actually. First thing we learn, meditate and feel positive. Always think that the glass is half full. Ignore them and move in life. See, don't be an ostrich. Act based on the negative thoughts or feelings. If you have negative thoughts, you will be negative always. You will always be in trouble. Talk to a friend and share all your negative feelings. This is sometimes good when you share. Sometimes it is always good, but not always. If people think that you always say negative, they will not be around with you for long. Okay? So meditate to calm down and feel positive. Okay? So this is how we can be positive. Meditate, learn from the feedback and be thankful to everything you have. Okay, this is all about this positive thinking. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.